Is it from your mind?
Seriously, do you have a choice? Thank you so much for this cake. On behalf of me, my family, and everyone around, I want to say thank you to Castle Gate.
Yeah.
You made me to feel like a family. Thank you so much.
Not like you, you're a family.
A family, not like
Family.
Rephrase, please.
You made me feel like a family.
you are saying like
Yeah,
a
like
baby.
again.
I take short. Sorry.
Can I hold it? This is my size.
I am a family here.
Yes.
And I thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, everyone. Thank
What
you.
on?
Thank
What
you.
on?
Celebrating Mr. Jafet.
Yes.
It's for you.
Yes.
This cake is personal.
Yes.
Yes.
It's intentional.
It's not even marketing.
Yes.
Just your mind is here.
Yes.
Remove your mind.
Thank you so much. We appreciate.
God bless you.
God bless you. Happy birthday to you one more time.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You now. How old are you now? How old are you now? 50 years. How old are you now?
How old are you?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.